Hi Andy, this is Tatipamla Bhaskar. I am a teacher. I have 16 years of experience in maths teaching. Okay, coming to the point, children. Are you going to the school? No, right? Because of COVID-19, all schools have been closed. Then, what are you doing in your home? Okay, you are listening online classes taught by your teacher and watching video lessons in television. Okay, children, and playing games also. Okay, in free time, what are you doing in free time? Okay, I will give an idea. You prepare for entrance exams. Okay, what are the entrance exams? Competitive exams. Okay, in those, Navodaya is very important entrance exam. Navodaya entrance test into 6th class is useful for 5th class students who are studying now 5th class. Okay, students, I am going to teach you online classes for this entrance test. Please follow my videos. I will give all the coaching material in my videos. Okay, children, please follow my videos and prepare for this entrance test. Before going to start classes, we have to know one thing. What is that? When we are going to prepare for an entrance exam, we have to know what is the model of that exam and what we have to learn to write the exam. Right? So, first of all, I am going to explain about the model of this entrance exam. In this entrance exam paper, 80 questions will be there. All questions are multiple choice questions and each question will give you 1.25 marks. That means total marks 80 into 1.25 equals to 100 marks. Those are maximum marks. 100 maximum marks. Now I am going to explain distribution of marks. Distribution. In first section, mental ability questions will be there. Total number of mental ability questions will be 40. In section 2, arithmetic test. Arithmetic questions means mathematical questions. Mathematical questions will be given in this section. Mathematic or arithmetic questions will be from 5th class level. Total number of arithmetic questions will be 20. And next, section 3rd. In section 3rd, language ability test will be there. This language depends on the language in which medium you are studying. If you are studying in English medium, the language will be English. If you are studying in mother tongue medium, that means Telugu, Tamil or Hindi, etc. The language will be your mother tongue or local language. Total paper in that medium only. Okay. Total number of language ability questions will be 20. Okay. That means all of these. Total number of questions in entrance test is 80 and each question gives us 1.25 marks. Then total maximum marks 80 into 1.25 equals to 100 marks. This is the distribution of marks in Navodaya entrance test. Okay, children, We will meet in next video. From the next video, I am going to teach you arithmetic part or mathematics part. So children, please follow my videos and prepare for Navodaya entrance test. See you in next video. Bye children.